What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button today. We're going to be talking about a product that is not out yet, but it will be coming out pretty soon, and that is going to be the Tpob Play Shaver. Let it zoom in right there for y'all so you can see it. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and dive into this and let you guys know how it's working for me behind the chair so far. Don't have a lot of specs on it, but I do have performance videos that you guys could see. And, but with that, we're going to go ahead and take a little look at it and let you guys see how it operates in the shop. Made a promise to my mama that I gotta be better than I was. All right, y'all. So we got the Play Shaver here. As you can see, it has the rubber grip, just like the trimmer in the clipper. It does have two speeds. So you have your first speed, and then you have your second speed. It's got the green LED indicator light. It turns red when it needs to be charged. At the bottom, you have your charging port, of course, and it's going to take the same charging cord as the Play trimmer and Play clipper. So as you can see here, that goes right there. There is the actual shaver. It's got a little thumb indentation here. You have the branding right there, Play, but powered by Acme. You got your power switch, and I'm assuming just by where these are placed, don't quote me on this, but I'm pretty sure you're going to have customizable grips just like the trimmer and the clipper. So this right here is your lid. It is magnetic, so it kind of just sits right back on there like that. But there is the shaver head. You press this little button right here, releases the latch for you to open that up. And there is the actual blade in there. It does run by magnetic levitation. So put that back right there. And I'm going to turn it on for y'all. Try to put the mic near it so you guys can hear that. With that being said, this is going to be a prototype. This isn't the finalized version of the trimmer of the shaver just yet. But this was what was given to me, no box or anything like that. But this is just a little sneak peek at what is to come to complete the trio for the Play clipper, trimmer, shaver trio that we got there. So when you put them side by side, you have your all three right there, all the Plays. You see the branding all on each of the clipper, trimmer, shaver. But that's what we're looking at. I like the rubber grips on each of the tools, but let's get it used behind the chair so you guys can see how it operates. Get me to go to somewhere. But the video is just trying to exhaust all the other alternatives, I think. Yeah. Basically, just gotta follow up again. I gotta get another MRI, CT, and so as you can see, this shaver has got a really nice crunch to it. I like how it holds in the hand. I never thought that a grip on a shaver would really be something that I wanted until I was able to get it with this shaver. It just helps you to hold it a lot easier. I like how the holes on this foil shaver are a little bit more wider than your traditional shaver, so I feel like it feeds hair a lot easier. So that was another plus to that. It's quiet, just like the Play shaver, Play trimmer. This shaver is extremely quiet, and it's just able to eat through anything. The two power settings. A lot of people always wonder, like, or they always ask, or I see, like, what's the point on social media? Like, people leaving comments, why is there two speeds for a shaver? And in my opinion, I've always used the high power to completely bald out, and then I'll use the low power to kind of like get out the line that you created. Now, as you can see here, we're shaving down some facial hair on my client here. A lot of times what barbers will do is they'll knock down the facial hair to a trimmer length first and then use their shaver to knock it out. But I didn't do any of that. I just went straight with the shaver with the growth he had, and we just knocked it out. And so this shaver did it with ease, had no problem whatsoever knocking it out. And I can't really complain about anything with the shaver thus far. Any hair texture, any ethnicity you could think of, black hair, Asian hair, white hair, Hispanic hair, it was able to knock that down completely and with ease. So overall, I think this is a great tool. Like I said, if I didn't mention before, the holes on this shaver head are a lot wider than your typical traditional shaver head, and the reason being is that it allows hair to feed easier into those holes to get a close shave. And this shaver gets very close, as you can see here on my client, and then clients to come on this video. You can see how close the shaver will get to skin, and I think that being able to get that close to skin is a very great tool to have, a great a great characteristic of the shaver, because a lot of times you want to get that transition from whatever your blend is at to a shaver bald. The reason being is that I feel like when you get, whether it be a taper all the way to shaver bald or a fade all the way to shaver bald, it creates a really nice gradiency in your fade. It creates a nice transition as opposed just to going to a clipper closed or a trimmer, that being the lowest point of your fade. When you add that shaver to being the lowest point of your fade or blend, it just allows that blend to be accentuated a lot more, and it just highlights the blend a lot more. And I think that is a good look for whether it be a taper, like I said, or fade, what have you. It just makes the blend look amazing, makes it look buttery, makes it look gradient, and that is a great thing to have. But other than that, I appreciate you guys checking out this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm really looking forward to you guys being able to use this shaver for yourselves. I'm not too exactly sure of when the release date will be or what the price point will be or any specs or anything like that, but we will do a full unboxing when the time comes. We'll get you guys the specs, the pricing, and all that stuff. But go to tpobusa.com, thepissedoffbarber.com, use code JBlends to save yourself 15% off. I appreciate everybody's support and checking out this video. And until next time, God bless.